Hi, today we are going to see how to install VMware on Windows 10. So go to your browser, in the search bar type VMware download. Here download VMware workstation player, then click on download now. I have already downloaded. Here is it. Click on it and it will prepare to install. Here it is. Then click on next. After that I accept. Then click on next. And next. Then click next, next and install. Here you can see VMware is installing. After being installed, you can click finish. Then VMware workstation has been installed in your device. So that's how to install VMware workstation. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.